And it matches my earrings. Cute. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Where's Brittany? I'm Brittany and I'm coming to you from the beautiful, sunny, yet rainy city of Jacksonville, Florida. So I just got back in town from celebrating my granny's 77th birthday. Myself and my two sisters pitched in and booked a 5-day cruise for her. And because my sisters have to work, I was the lucky one to be able to host my granny for this trip. Now for this trip in particular, you guys know I'm used to going on these long grand adventures, but because this was a 5-day trip, I wanted to pack light, but make sure I have everything that I needed. Unfortunately, the bag of choice didn't arrive until the day after we left for the cruise, so I ended up taking 2 bags, well 3 if you count my computer bag, with me on the trip. But now that I'm back in town, my bag of choice, which is the BAGSMART FARO Rolling Duffel bag, has arrived. So let's go ahead and see if I could have fit everything from those 2 bags into this 1 bag. Now first look, I have to say I absolutely love the seafoam color. It matches my earrings and it's just a nice change from the basic black luggage or duffel bags that you tend to see. And as I'm checking everything out, I'm noticing all of the exterior storage and these front zipper pockets, which are perfect for keeping travel essentials within easy reach. And there's even a padded compartment up front that can fit my laptop, which would be super convenient when I'm going through the airport or if I just want to get some work done while traveling. So before I start packing everything up, let's take a look on the inside. And the first thing I notice is how wide the bag opens. Instead of digging through a lot of narrow openings, I can actually see everything while unpacking, which makes the whole process so much easier. The main compartment is surprisingly spacious and it fits way more than I expected. I also like that the interior mesh compartments help separate everything, so my clothing, toiletries, and smaller items all have their own space instead of ending up in one giant pile. Once everything is inside, the movable compression panels help clench everything down to maximize the space without making the bag feel overstuffed. The structured interior also helps keep everything from shifting around while you're rolling through the airport or a cruise terminal. And what I really liked is how flexible the layout is. Whether you're packing for a quick weekend getaway or a longer trip like this one, you can arrange everything in a way that makes sense. And honestly, I'm kind of surprised that all of this actually fits. For my 5-day cruise, I packed 4 dresses, 2 shirts, a skirt, lounge pants, 2 sets of pajamas, 2 bathing suits with cover-ups, my makeup bag, medicine bag, toiletries, 2 pair of shoes, and all of my undergarments. And I even packed cabin cleaning supplies, and everything fits comfortably with room to spare. Now let me show you how easy this backpack is to take on the go. One thing I always appreciate while traveling is having plenty of grab points, and this bag has handles on the top, side, and front, so lifting it into the car or an overhead compartment is so much easier. And once your bag is all packed, it's really comfortable to travel with. The telescoping handle feels sturdy and extends smoothly, and the reinforced wheels glide really easy across the sidewalk. And you see I rolled it through grass without any issues, so I have no doubt it'll handle airport, cruise terminals, and all those other different travel surfaces with ease. Now that you've seen everything packed inside, let's take one last look at the Faro Rolling Duffel bag's exterior. I absolutely love the seafoam color, but it's more than just a pretty duffel bag. The TPU coated exterior adds an extra layer of protection against the weather and everyday wear and tear that naturally comes with traveling. The front center utility strap is perfect for securing a jacket or other gear, and other side attachment loops give you even more options for carrying those extra travel essentials. The exterior quick access zip pockets are perfect for keeping items like the passport or wallet within easy reach when you're on the go. And once everything is packed, the side compression straps help keep the load nice and secure, so nothing feels bulky or shifts around while you're traveling. Packing for my trip was extremely easy. Now that I'm home, unpacking it is just as simple. Everything has its place, so I'm not digging through multiple bags trying to find what I need. And that's exactly the kind of thoughtful design that makes traveling so much easier. Alrighty, my friends. Well, the answer is yes. I literally could have packed everything for my 5-day cruise into this one bag compared to the 2 bags that I brought on the trip. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. BAGSMART has a sale going on, friends, so make sure you check out their website. I'll have it linked in the video description below, and also I'll have a 10% promo code listed for you guys as well. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.